This is a 15-minute flow to build strength, balance, and inner steadiness. Welcome to day 4. Stand tall at the top of your mat, steady and open. Feel the earth hold you, the sky lift you. This flow is a balance of strength, surrender, and grace, guided by breath and carried by ease. Sweep the arms wide and rise. Palms touch. Forward fold, melting over your legs. Lengthen halfway, spine reaching long. Fold again, soft and heavy. Lift to stand, arms reaching high. Hands return to the heart. Reach and rise. Fold forward, surrendering down. Halfway lift, drawing space into the spine. Step back to plank, strong and steady. Lower through chaturanga. Open, upward facing. Press back to downward facing dog. Step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Fold. Rise all the way up. Hands gather at the heart. Sink the hips back into chair. Legs are powerful. Bend the elbows wide, fingertips brushing lightly onto your shoulders. A gesture of openness, strength without strain. Open the arms out wide, moving into eagle pose, shifting your weight onto the right foot. Cross the left thigh over, left arm under right. A shape of balance and stillness. Right fingers grab left toe and extend the left leg. Chest lifted, gaze steady. Let the lifted leg sweep back, body tilting for warrior 3. One line from crown to heel. Soften the standing knee into small pulses, a rhythm. Arms may reach forward, sweep like wings, or reach back by your sides. Each variation, a different expression of flight. Gently rise and draw the left knee towards your chest at the top of the mat, balancing on your right leg. And twist, threading the left arm back, right hand to left knee, letting your torso spiral lightly. Unwind back to center, arms extended. Slowly lower the left foot to meet the right, grounding again at the top of the mat. Forward fold. Half lift. Step back into high plank. Lower through chaturanga. Upward facing or cobra. And press back to downward facing dog, moving with strength and fluidity. Let the right leg high. Lift the right leg high. Hips opening. Circle the knees slowly, savoring the rotation and release in the hip. Each movement fluid and deliberate. Extend and lower the right foot softly to meet the left. Shift the weight and lift the left leg high, repeating the same gentle, juicy hip circles on the other side. Extend the left leg and lower the left foot to meet the right, pausing in downward facing dog. Feel the stretch and space between each breathless movement. Step forward to the top of the mat, arms sweeping wide and rising as you stand tall, rooted and lifted, ready for the other side. Eagle pose. Shift the weight onto the left foot. Cross the right thigh over, right arm under left. Release gently, extending the right leg forward, hand reaching towards the big toe, chest lifted and open. Release the grip. Let the lifted leg sweep back, body tilting forward, warrior 3. Bend the standing knee into small pulses, a soft rhythmic heartbeat through the leg. Arms are long or floating like wings, or in prayer. Rise slowly, drawing the right knee towards your chest at the top of the mat, and twist, threading the right arm back, left hand to right knee, letting the torso spiral gently, Flow to face forward, arms overhead. Lower the right foot to meet the left. Arms sweep forward. Fold and step back into high plank, moving through vinyasa. Take a moment in downward facing dog. Step your feet to meet your hands, finding yogi squat, heels grounded or lifted, letting the hips open and the spine lengthen. Lower to seated, extending the legs, chest tall, hands by your sides. Begin lifting the legs one at a time, alternating at your own pace. Release and ease into a seated forward fold, reaching towards the toes, chest melting over thighs, surrendering into the stretch while still keeping the spine long. Bend the knees and draw them gently towards your chest, wrapping your arms around your shins. Rock softly side to side, letting the spine unwind and release tension. Let the legs fall into a comfortable, easy seat, sitting tall yet relaxed. Place the hands to touch the shoulders. Lift and twist the torso gently side to side. Let the body settle and the mind soften. Find center. Release the hands to knees as you find a neutral spine. Rest here, feeling the fullness of the practice, the strength, the stretch, and the stillness. Let the energy linger as we now close this flow. Namaste.